All right, Unit 6, Video 5, dividing exponents. Okay, so dividing exponents is going to look a lot like this. So let's say we have x to the 6th over x to the 3rd. Okay, we're going to work it out the long way so you guys can maybe find that shortcut. So this tells us we have 6 x's. And this tells us we have 3. Okay, now you know in division you can cancel. Now remember they're canceling to ones. Okay, and I'm left with 3 x's in the numerator and nothing in the denominator. Okay, so that's my answer. All right, let's look at a different one. All right, so this tells us we have 2 y's, and this tells us we have 6. Okay, let's cancel. All right, nothing's left up here, so remember it's a 1, and we have 4 y's in the denominator. Okay, and then there's my answer. Okay, so most of you guys have figured out when you cancel, what's left over, okay, is actually a subtraction problem. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, the thing you got to remember is where are the leftover ones after you cancel. Okay, and up here 6 minus 3 is 3. All right, so this one. Okay, now first thing you got numbers. Make sure you do the numbers like you've always done. 6 over 3 is 2 over 1, right? Reduce it. Okay, now on this one I have x to the 4th, and then remember that's a 1. Okay, so if I have 4 x's in the numerator and 1 in the denominator, okay, there's going to be 3 left. So 4 minus 1 is 3, and it's in the numerator because there's more x's in the numerator than the denominator. All right, next one. So I have no numbers, so that's good. So what's 8 minus 2 is 6. And there's more in the numerator. Okay, and you don't have to have those ones down there. Okay, scientific notation. It's the same thing. We're going to break it up. Okay, but scientific notation's a little different. You are allowed negative exponents. Okay, so I broke it up. I broke up these group and then my tens group. So 8 divided by 2 is 4 times 10. Now here on this one, okay, now we know that if we cancel, there's going to be 10 or 6 tens in the denominator, correct? Okay, but scientific notation does not do fractions. It's decimals and negative exponents. So this needs to move up here, okay? And now you guys have already done this, but when you take an exponent and you move it from one side of a fraction to the other, it changes signs. So when we take that 10 to the 6th and we move it up, it becomes a negative 10 to the 6th. So that would be my answer.